In day one, we're looking at a very interesting thing that blows my mind. This is what day one is talking about. The Father seeks worshippers, not worship. John 4:23 says, "Yet a time is coming and has now come when the true worshippers will worship the Father in spirit and in truth, for they are the kind of worshippers the Father seeks." Our activity question: what distracts your focus on pursuing your holy calling as a worshipper? And what are you going to do about it? What distracts your focus? What are you going to do about it? The Father, according to Jesus Christ our Lord, is seeking worshippers, not worship. This is a deceptively simple principle with profound implications for our eternal worship ministry. 2 Chronicles 16 verse 9a describes this principle this way. It says, "For the eyes of the Lord range throughout the earth to strengthen those whose hearts are fully committed to Him." What is the object of the Father's zealous search? Worshippers, not worship. You see, if a person is truly a worshipper, a person whose entire identity is to live in the worship attitude towards God, then the experiences of worship will be true worship indeed. If worship is just one activity among many others, or among many priorities in a person's life, it is all too easy to go through the motions without a genuine attitude motivating it at all. God desires for us to be worshippers because it is what we need, not because He needs it. You see, we are the ones who need to be worshippers. God doesn't need worship. God is sufficient all by Himself, but we need to worship God. You see, the Trinity is not a needy being, desperately needing our worship to prop up a flagging self-esteem. God is so high and exalted that He has to stoop down in humility to receive even the highest perfect praise of the highest heaven. You get that? God is highly exalted. He comes down to meet us in worship. He is seeking us, not the activity called worship. Our prayer thought, it says, pray that God will work in your life and make for Himself a worshipper, one who will do each and everything he or she does as an act of worship to Him. Lord, I pray that you'd make for yourself a worshiper out of my brother and my sister who is watching or listening to this. In Jesus' name. Amen. In 2 Chronicles 16 verse 19a, it says, "For the eyes of the Lord range throughout the earth to strengthen those whose hearts are fully committed to Him." That's our memory verse. And that's the end of day one.